Hi everyone, my name is Ayesha and in this video I am going to show you one application that is helpful in online teaching. The application name is Zoomit. Zoomit is used basically for three things: for zoom in or zoom out effect in online teaching, for drawing while zoom in or zoom out, and for typing on the screen. So these are the three basic uses of Zoomit application. So first of all, open any browser, open Google and type Zoomit. When you will type Zoomit, you can see this site Zoomit Windows Sys Internals. Click on this and you can see the option download Zoomit. So you can see this application Zoomit. Click on download Zoomit. I have already downloaded Zoomit application. This is the Zoomit application's zip file and this is the extracted folder application. And in this extracted folder you can see Zoomit application. So click on this and run it. When you will run it, you can see the Zoomit application in the tray. So this is the Zoomit application. So now how to use this Zoomit applications? If you click on the Zoomit application, click on options and one window will appear with the different options of Zoomit. Zoom. For zooming, you have to use the key control num4. That is number 4 in the key. Then for live zoom, you can use the control 4. So you can toggle in between zoom and live zoom using the control 4. Then third is the third use is for drawing anything or using the drawing mode. For using the drawing mode, you have to use the control plus number 2. The next application is typing on the screen. If you want to use to type anything, you have to enter into the typing mode, and by typing T you can enter into the typing mode. And for exit you have to press the escape. Then next is the break. Break is used to break the menu item. You can use the break and you can use the timer in between the session using control plus 3. So control plus 3 will show you the timer. You can set the timer for 10 minutes or 9 minutes, 5 minutes, likewise using these arrow keys. So now we will see these applications one by one. So these are the functions of Zoomit application. So first function is zoom or zoom in. So I am going to press control plus 4 to show zoom effect. Now you can see the zoom screen using the control plus 4. You can toggle between zoom in and zoom out using the control 4. Again I am going to enter into the zoom in. Then the second key to draw is control plus 2. I am going to use control plus 2. Here my pointer is become now is with this drawing pointer. So I can draw anything using this pointer now. If you want to erase this drawing, you can use the escape key. Then the next thing is that if you want to type anything, you have to enter into the typing mode. So press T and type anything. Now if you want to take the break in between the sessions, and you can use the timer using the break. So you have to use the control plus 3. So I am going to use control plus 3 and timer is appeared here. You can press escape and go back. So these are the uses of Zoomit applications, and this application will definitely make your online teaching effective. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching.